They are a colossal pain in the ass to clean. Hi, I'm Wine Dine Caroline, and today we're going to talk about decanters. To show me you're watching, type the word air in the comments. So today we're going to talk about decanters. What is a decanter? This is a decanter. Decanters come in different shapes and sizes, but their main purpose in life is to allow your wine some space. So you see that this is really flat, there's a lot of surface area. The point of the decanter is to aerate the wine. It's something that we use mostly for reds. You can use it on reds that are young to open them up and to soften up some of the tannins and really bring them to life. You can use them on older reds also to catch sediment at the bottom and open them up, although I do think decanting really old reds can kill them faster, but that's a talk for another time. I don't decant all my reds. I can't be bothered because the cleaning is a nightmare, but if I'm having friends over, if I'm feeling fancy, or if I do have a particularly big, bold red, I will decant it. When you're looking for a decanter, I would definitely make sure that it does have a wide point at the base. That's the point of it. And think about cleaning. They are a colossal pain in the ass to clean, so you probably do have to get a special decanter cleaning brush. You also don't have to have an actual decanter. Nothing could go wrong. You can use anything that is wide and will give your wine some space, like a teapot. You can use a measuring cup, and beakers make great picnic decanters. You can also hyper decant by putting wine in a blender, but we'll save that for another day. If you want to learn more about fancy dinner parties, head to the link in the description to get my free food and wine pairing guide. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click that little bell to be alerted for new videos, and share this video with your friends. Cheers!